This is the Always Infinity FlexFoam pads, and I really love these. I'm very particular with my sanitary products, and these work perfectly. Now, this is in the size 2, and these are the sizes that they come in. So for overnight protection, you would want to get the bigger pads, and these are great for heavy flow, and it also has the wings too. Now, what sets this apart is it feels like it virtually is not even there. Nobody likes bulky pads, and this is great. Let me show you a close-up of what it looks like. And it also has a tab right here so you can close it up when not in use. This is what it looks like. It has super absorbent holes, and it's very dry and breathable top layer too. And it also has form-fitting grooves as well. And if you want, you can open it from this tab as well. And here is the sizing chart depending on how heavy or light your flow is, and also your panty size too. And this is what the pad packaging looks like. Very cute, and you can slip this into your purse or in your car, and of course in your bathroom under cabinet too. And it's very easy to open. There's a tab right here, and after use, you could put it back in and then roll it up and throw it in the trash. So this is what it looks like. And it also has a nice dry layer, so you never feel wet. And this also helps with leaks. All you have to do is take off this tab right here, and then it has wings. So you're able to wrap it around your panties, and that way it gives that side protection right here. And this is what it looks like. You would wear it like this, with this being the front area and that going towards the back. Now they have these lines there to protect in case you do have heavy flow, so it doesn't go all the way through the back. And very comfortable. It almost feels so lightweight. And do you see how thin it is? It's not bulky at all. That's why I love it. I've been using this for a couple of years now, maybe a few years, because it is a newer product. But once I started using it, I fell in love with it. Thank you so much for watching, and hope you found this video helpful.